All right, another crack at this. How's it going? One, two, three, go. Excellent. All right. So, I want to make pendulum text or swinging text as if the characters are on a clothesline or swinging into action, as they would say. I just watched a really cool tutorial on YouTube. I'll put the link actually on my page because it was so cool. But the guy, what he did was he took the anchor point of the 3D layer and placed it on top. What I want to do is I want to use my text animators to do this, and the problem is you have a little bit of control. So I want to use something that most people wouldn't really use, and it's a thing called grouping alignment. Grouping alignment is what will help us out here for this swing effect. So what I have is a 3D layer, just some texture in the background. It's positioned 500 pixels back. I got a spotlight, and I have this text layer. It's centered. I did layer new text, and I'm using Arial Black with an orange fill, black outline. 100 pixels, and my fill is 4 fill over stroke. That's it, really nothing more than that. So what I want to do is I don't want to make a 3D layer. I want to do a per character 3D layer. So what I've done is I've opened up my layer here, boom, 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 and I'll go animate per character 3D. And you also notice the icons are a little different than what a 3D layers would be. A 3D layer is the big cube, and this has the little micro cubes, I like to call them. And okay, off we go. We want this to swing, so we have to add the property of rotation. And we see if I swing on X, which would be where we want it to swing from, it's tipping and tilting back. Very nice, very nice, very nice. But I need to get it to sit on the top. Now, I am in CS4. CS5 actually allows this to be a little easier of a process because you can eyeball things in the regards that basically, if I went into this more options, which I had open more options, grouping alignment, I have 100 pixel text. I will take my width height value and I'll knock it back, say 100. But I find it's not really exact. If I was in CS5, I would see little X's on the base of each character rise up to the top. So I'm going to knock this back, I'll say a negative 90 or so. And let's see what happens when I swing this. Yeah, that seems pretty good, huh? That's what we wanted. Yeah. So, cool. Let me close my more options. So, more options, grouping alignment. That's the key here. Now I can actually add my my range selector, start 0. I could go to, say, 4. Close that range, and you'll see the characters will fall into place. Pretty cool, pretty good. So we see these guys will now swing on in. It's pretty cool right there. Instead of the characters, maybe I want the words. So in the range selector advanced area, I'm going to go based on not characters, but I'll do words. So we'll swing in as the swing. Very nice, very nice. So swinging text. The text animator. The key to it really is in more options and utilizing grouping alignment. So I'll talk to you later. Peace in, peace out, all that silly stuff. The swing. Excellent.